Take a ride in the 2022 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.